for this course. Hello, I am Lena Walton, and I will be your instructor for this PhD doctoral seminar course, CUI 700. I am going to share my screen so you can follow along with me as I introduce this course. Just one moment while I share my screen. Okay. So this course is a 1-credit course. And as I said, I am the instructor or the facilitator for this semester. I've put a little bit about myself, where I'm from, and what my background is. And so you can read that on your own leisure. But I would like to talk a little bit today about the course itself. As I said before, this is a 1-credit course, and it is intended to help you transition into advanced studies. What does that mean? It means that it is going to be more of a survey course of all the different areas that you're going to touch on while you're in this course. And more so, I'm going to provide you some foundational materials and information that you will need to use as you go through the course, such as responsible conduct of research, information, and certification. I am aware that many of you have earned your master's degree some time ago, and there are others who have earned their master's degree just a few months ago in May. The course is therefore tailored to help each of you individually to make the necessary transition. So some of you will be researchers already in your jobs, and some of you will be very new to research. The one thing you all need to know is that doctoral study is not easy and it is not simple. It engages you as the entire person. It will engage your family and your significant other, everyone associated with you. When you receive your syllabus, and we meet on the first day as a synchronous meeting, we are meeting on Zoom, we will delve into some of the personal adjustments that you might need to make in order to be successful in the program. The course will also delve into who you are as an individual, as an educator, and will help you to start reflecting about knowing and thinking and the foundations of knowledge. This seminar course is designed with some fun aspects to it. For example, in this course, for each of the weeks, the 16 weeks, I'm going to ask you to think about the work that you've done, the readings that you've done. Sometimes you'll be watching movies, reading books, listening to audiobooks. I'm going to be asking you to make a playlist. And that playlist should be something personal, something you can use to uplift yourself, something you can use to encourage yourself, or something you can use to remind you about some of the things you're learning. I am an eclectic educator. This means that I try to explore a lot of different possibilities. And sometimes when that happens, there will be areas for improvement as I will be learning right alongside you. I am hoping, therefore, because I'm an eclectic instructor, that that I will reach everyone's learning styles, and I will be able to reach everyone, whether you're introverted or extroverted, and we will be able to have a professional relationship in this course. The course will help you learn and understand that procrastination has no place in a doctoral degree program. Deadlines are very important, and you should try your endeavor best to respect the deadlines. Another characteristic of the course is that we will be discussing current and historical trends and topics, which might prove uncomfortable for me as the instructor and for you as the participant in the class, both individually and collectively. The major consideration that we all need to have is for others. Each of us come to this PhD program from a different background. We construct our understandings from different lived experiences. And therefore, my knowledge of a topic might not be your knowledge of a topic, or it might not be formed in the same way that my experiences helped me to construct the understanding of that topic. So we need to think about each other and the different circumstances that we're coming from and be respectful of each other's opinions. As the facilitator, my aim is to maintain a safe and comfortable learning environment for all of you. Over the next 16 weeks, we will be covering 6 modules, all of which are essential to the remainder of the program. The first module is my identity. We are going to look a little bit about what does it mean to when we say, who are you or who am I? Who am I? What does that mean? What exactly do we talk about or do we consider when we talk about when we try to explain who we are? Secondly, we are going to be looking at professional citations and formatting for professional papers, research, scholarship. We use American Psychological Association, and that is what we are going to be looking at mainly, APA format. For Module 3, we are looking at responsible conduct of research, and Alabama A&M have strict guidelines about responsible conduct of research, and we will be looking at that. And it is necessary that all graduate students, especially doctoral students, get certified in all the different areas of responsible conduct of research. One thing you need to remember for the module on responsible conduct of research, it is consequential. To pass the course, you must submit all of your certifications that are required by the university by the end of the course. The next module is called Tensions, and we're looking at differences and similarities. And here we will be looking at personal biases, and we will be looking at microaggression. For Module 5, we're going to look at the epistemology of the different thinking and thought. And so we will be looking at now how knowledge is formed and how do we come to know, and whether or not some of the things that we say we know are really happening because we know them. And then the last module will be about thinking and thought. And here we will delve into Dewey's idea of thinking and thought and how that figures into us as being educational professionals. So throughout the 6 modules, your content materials will include audio publication readings, book chapters, articles. You will watch some YouTube videos, and you will be doing the training materials from Collaborative Institutional Training Initiative, which is also called CITI. No textbook is required for this course. The course aims to prepare students to meet the challenges of the program, and therefore all of what you learn will be essential as a foundation for the remainder of the program. Are you ready to get started? Well, let's go.